I'm Sam Mengo, a senior test engineer on the gas appliance team. I'm part of a small team of engineers based here in our Loughborough test facilities, where we carry out testing and certification activities on a large number of different gas appliances, some of which are gas fires, stoves, space heaters, water heaters, boilers, tumble dryers, commercial and domestic catering appliances. Some typical test standards covering these types of gas products will include EN30 for Europe, for example, AS NZS 52631.1 for Australia and New Zealand, or the ANSI Z21.2 for America, but others could be accommodated as well. This is the gas cooking appliance test bay, and next door over there we have an equivalent bay which is designed specifically to accommodate electrical cooking appliances that are covered by EN0335. Each of these test bays has been designed with everything that we need to ensure our clients' products can be tested in the most efficient and timely and accurate manner. Over here we have the electrical test bay, which is similar to the gas test bay. There are subtle differences between the bays, otherwise they're both the same. So what we're going to demonstrate now is the range of fully adjustable cabinets that are purposely designed to offer maximum flexibility so that they can easily accommodate a wide range of different cookers and range appliances sizes. You can also see that the test walls have been prepared for the addition of embedded thermocouples as defined in the appliance test standards. These are scheduled to be fitted later this year, and there will be data logging software which will be introduced to provide a full temperature measurement around the appliance whilst fitted in the test bay.